Alright, so I want to show you a little savvy tip on running a Facebook contest within their parameters, so within the rules, but still get people to share. So technically, you're not allowed people to share a contest post from my understanding unless something has changed. In fact, I had someone tell me that one time, but I read it within Facebook's guidelines. They cannot share a post as part of a contest that you run within Facebook, but lots of people run contests right in Facebook, right? So let me show you what we do that I consider is kind of cheeky, but it totally works, right? So contest time: win a family 4-pack of tickets, park and pass, mobile baby access, our local baseball team. Take me out to the ball game. So here are the rules. 1, like the post. 2, comment and tag who you'd like to take out to the ball game. Share the post. So we want them to share. They don't have to share to win though. But look what happens. So far it's been shared 56 times. A lot of people have liked it. We've had tons of comments. So it's been a really successful contest. So I would advise you doing that for your contest. So technically that's not part of what they need to do to win. By the way, if you're a friend of ours on the Mobile Rundown on Facebook, please keep sharing the posts anyway. Yeah, so you can use that tip for your posts. Good luck.